Atlantia Vive, Atlantia Vince, Atlantia Victor, my dear friends. Intel and Nvidia have announced a strategic partnership through which Nvidia shall supply Intel with chiplets to integrate in the systems on chips built by Intel with their processors, and Nvidia shall also provide Intel with NVLinks. HMV-Link is capable of producing 1.8 terabytes per second of data transfer. So there is much to worry about here at AMD. But we at AMD, we have graphics, and we have had the graphics department both from ATI a while ago, a long time ago, and we know now how to produce video cards, and we know how to integrate the chiplets from the video cards on the systems on chip provided by built by AMD technicians and engineers. So we already have a reply for the strategic partnership between Intel and Nvidia. We have the systems on chips. We only need to deploy them. And if we have had 4 cores at 65 nanometers, 8 cores at 45 nanometers, 16 cores at 32 nanometers, 32 cores at 22 nanometers, 64 cores at 14 nanometers, 128 cores at 10 nanometers, 256 cores at 7 nanometers, 512 cores at 5 nanometers, and 1024 cores at 3 nanometers. We can go on with 2048 cores at 2 nanometers and 4096 cores and 1.5 nanometers for 15 angstroms. Angstrom is the new unit for measurement. Slower, much smaller than a nanometer, 10 times smaller than a nanometer. It is not pico. We go from nano to pico. How many picometers it will be? Actually, we go into the atomic scale, the scale of an electron, and the scale of a proton, and the scale of a neutron. These are the scales which we talk about picometers. So we need to be brave at AMD. We need to go fast and produce the chiplets. We need to integrate the chiplets from the graphics department with the chiplets from the CPU department and make a great outcome, like AMD AI Ryzen 395 Plus. A great chip. Goodbye, my dear friends.